Okay, we were supposed to do a hike this afternoon, but the weather is not looking good, so we'll postpone it to tomorrow. See up there. So my towel here says that it's windy down here. It's gonna be more windy up there, and also it's cloudy, so we won't see much. So I recommended that we wait until tomorrow to see how the weather is. You can see here, this must be the cemetery. Whoa, it's really windy, man. This is another hotel. They have homestay and a hotel. Oh, look at this house. We have the steps here. Look. Oh, beautiful, man. There's a shortcut. Oh. Boy. Look at this. Too good, man. Okay, this is owned by a New Zealand guy. The village gave him a piece of land he could build his house on, but this has been here for many years, and they gave him this piece of land because he done a lot for the village throughout the years, and also like helped them going for a neck. But this village, they said it was the first village they went for the neck in New Zealand, and he was the one who helped with that. So he comes back and forth, but when he comes, then he just stays here in his own house. The view is amazing. Look. Okay, people, we're gonna go to this hotel. As I said, beside the homestays they have in the village, they also have a hotel or resort. Oh, have to watch out here. Man, what a beautiful house. You know? So this is the hotel dining area. You can see the mbures there.
Wailile Resort.
Foi Wailile Resort. Boy, looks beautiful, man. Yasawa. For you. People, this is the beginning of Yasawa. Why? It's the first island in Yasawa. I really hope tomorrow the weather will be good, because my towel here says that you can see the whole of Yasawa when you go up there. To the rocks, and there's a story behind those rocks, but I wanna wait to tell it when we do the hike, because when we sat down and talked, my tau here explained how that rock made a big impact on this island. Look, Bula. See, they have the domes here. Besides the mbures down there, if you don't want to pay that amount of money, you can stay in the dome. So people, this is the old school, my tau said, and because of that big rock there, that's the reason why this school has been replaced to the other side of the island. As I said, that rock contains a lot of history for the people here in Waya, and they're keeping this mbure, the traditional houses here, because they wanna make sure that the new generation coming up, they know how to build a mbure, keep the tradition alive, because these kinds of work, it's dying, you know. So when they change the roof, they bring all the kids and they teach them how to make the mbure. See, look at the background, boy. Now we're gonna go down again. Keep telling you, it's so amazing. This must be the cemetery. Look.
Tang.
Iya.
Tol taman tadi kena gasin dan juga. Ini juga na apa na semua la cek. Tol tala baka din. Tingka wal kon mati libu na misil. Ati asa tahu aku. Itu pambil itu wa. Bahasa baki wa liu. Kalau ni kasih bu. Limpo senang kasih mai Nanti, welolo. Na relisa ngaki na tala kiri beach na wali nile kada ba balte na Spanish flu misila. Tala ko rital no. Salo sing menung kasing ko memi puntal no na wanggawa to. Na botoni nuku na botoni wai wai at chukin turu na kongo. Kona nukuira. Boleh chukin kina. Muta boleh chukin. Nei wali ni mate. Wali ni mate ngo na lolo kena masuk. Agora itu wana nukira, na wana botoni wai. Ada koya, botoni wanga, nakumai segini masuk cula. Ini buah lako, waya lebu, lepas tu tak ada sambuli, mai waya. Itu kutu komuni na masuk menalo. Rasangai lolo masuk, mena muka dia, tin kawal. Wisinga, nataka singa lebu yakab. Mana cingka dia, cingka walu, cingka dia rasanga bulu, rasangai otiro na singa lemas. Ada bani basing mena namada. Ni lagu mena mate ami tau. Rasa apa kan ni hari tungani muala ni anu na ololo sa kumukumun tumay toso tumay hari tu namai abun dena ololo la ngai na vici le mok tali na vici ka itu pambulai singin do mati roro nangka sere le siwa sare dana ololo selekni goro bersalah doten go tare ro balenga maina dangia bacan ni ro bot itu ro ya demi mata sawa ya litu na mumus ni yang nak tare ni ro rombula ni lego ko sa na chupa nangka se lokso bonang kili partare ko na nandrai belum nangka se turanya akero ko kipa kau sama tu itu kau coba na kontak ni ko kan saukan ko kun bice lamang kembal tu nada nada nanga una panang geleng ko na patu ko na sisima au sana la kuinta ko mai ka embatan na nreta ke na kango na kungo na ko cinka dua cinka walu sara se cinka dua se cinka walu cinka dua walu sabu kalima sisi kina na patu den na ngeli da kina na para sabu katolu ni machi cinka dua walu sabu kalima arsa se morde tu kona na kalau kona mata ko ni da kapal na sa sisi na ngeli kwa di mai tumba kwa terus tuna mai kwa sena terus sebagai tarangan yang manaka mira mode tu sangelin dundur tu mata sa sangar ta tungoi rona kubu nakam masalah tu mera ki mira sabi ring simuna batu kanga me wanga tsumena mata masih sunra mana masih sumena gela apakah ngai dona wol meni ke nona tarak na batu para sisi ki sing tona lenga sing tona pali baga tadi pa mona seranga ngai babuna kina misa tulu kina na kor na ngana niko buatan na kor tali toki angito kita di sana ke senga sen ko cuma na kor ya sale buna tamatai iya kami nona bul sama kambo metau biambaki na Februari katsingka bitu ni singa untuk soli bini babina na me da hatu kita na bakia dum makome ni mataga ni sing di meta kinalo dia marara na dosa ke ni bongi na rara kono meta rada tuma kono go bota tuma go polo na to pasangan angka sender cu sambil aja ini sing ni mate dalam sih kemana keluar tuh oi
Try to get some coconuts. This coconut tree seems to be too high, or our bamboo stick is too short. So I'm gonna try to find a smaller tree. taste, man. Oh, very, very sweet, man. Because of the weather. So much sun in here. That's why it's so sweet. People, this must be the church. Okay. So this is Naita from Kandab, Nambukulevira, was in this village. Oh.
Kuna ngase utalata tume. Kuna runutol sika walung kami ambaki rauki na saranga na lotuli loksibia.
Oh.
Kami turkin kuna butuni bana lungu.
Oh. Good one.
Iya.
Excellent.
Ada ni walut cungko na bana lungu. Oh, ma.
This village is called Namar village. Oh, this is the community hall. Community hall for people. And people, Namar village, it's part of Vunda district, mainland Vunda. This is island Vunda. So they originated from Vunda, then they came and settled here. So this is, even though it's far away, it's part of the Vunda district that's under the paramount chief Namomonotui Vunda, one of the prominent chiefs in Fiji.
Ganito labusan na botol.
Botol?
Ito turang ito kanina ito kim botol.
Oh.
Mga pala sa lang na turang ko.
Uy, Bob! Uy.
Kira pa, ito kung bulitsoy ka, kira itong bulitsoy ko nasa ukan ko. Mbak natin ka di na nato nambak, nato nangaw na foto idaki ko na angel na sisimi. Itong bulitsoy ka, mbak tayo ronin kata na angel na nalako ni biyo. Sikati also buka lima siningel. Kita kinantar na kan ben ngomong gumito teman ni mana. Nunda apa tu kira rumai terus kita beda. Sini tu ame maklum koro. Bali sudah pada tani sudah lenta. Pakangan ini zona wall, zona lecil lebu tak ya ngolah tamu taruh satu kita serang mata sah, nama kali lagi.
Boy, look, people, the house of their chief must be the paramount chief of Waya. Hey, oh, it was Yasawa, the paramount chief of Yasawa. Boy. Hola.
Bola, sing sisi mana batur tu. Pergi potongan mentah membau tu.
Hola. People, that's the last house in the village, and they also, it's also a homestay. See the outdoor area, man, top notch. They call that place Alcatraz because the location, you know. Numbula. Another homestay. That's it, people. Tomorrow we will conquer you. But for now, I have to relax, man. It's been a long day. When he called me this afternoon, I was like, my mind was really up for it. But at the end of the day, I think we made the right call, because we wouldn't be able to do nice videos up there if it was really windy. And he says, even though there's no wind now down here, it's less now, up there is still a lot, so you have to listen. Okay, people, we're about to go and feed some sharks. Night here will show us how to do it. Okay, let's go, yalla. The weather is a bit better now. In the morning it was horrible, man. I was really scared that I wouldn't be able to do any content. Boat over there, look.
Hotel dia bilang kau balik. Tahu pasal Sunaboy. Biar pakai mana?